Good morning, everyone. These are my babies. Four of them are in there and they try to manage to fit. And look at my how. Look, they're overflowing, but they're so cute. Happy Friday, my babies. Super, super cute. That's Lemon. Oh, and this is how. And this is Hubert. Oh, and this is falling down Luna. That's my Luna girl. Oh, cute nila. Have a good morning, everyone. Happy Friday from my babies. Good morning, Luna. Good morning, how. Ay, Lemon. Ay, Hubert. Ay, hi, Lord. Daddy Lord, morning. I'm up. How did you fit in there? I'm up, babies.